Welcome to RV America's 1 minute tip. Unlike Danny, I'm going to keep it to 1 minute. One thing you need to know for sure when you're driving down the road is the height of your rig. It's really important, guys. We've come up with this fancy dancy way to keep track of it. We have a yellow post-it note. We keep it stuck right here on the dash, not in sight of anything, but it tells me the height of the rig. One time when we were driving through New York, we were on a county highway, and I'm driving down the road, and I'm like, Danny, how tall is our rig? And he tells me ours is 11.6, and I had to slam on the brakes and pull to the side, because guess what? We were coming up to an overpass, and we wouldn't fit under it.
1 minute.
1 minute. So from then on, we stuck our sticker on the dash. I had to pull over to the side and then back up to the last exit ramp that we passed, because I guess I could have made it go under the ramp. Might not have had an air conditioner, and it's hot out here in Arizona right now. So put your post-it note on the dash so you know the height of your rig, and anytime it comes up, it's right there. Until next time, God bless and many safe travels.
And go RV America.